What's going on, everybody? We have returned to Island Ford Cave. If you remember right, last time I didn't make it all the way back, and if you're wondering why I'm muddy, I did this video backwards. We actually just got finished, but you know, this cave is beautiful. 1,400 feet of passageway going through there. You know, we're going to look at the turquoise pool today, the Buddha room and Glop Canyon, get down past the point where the creek cuts across the main path and get to the very back of the cave. If you do come here, be respectful, don't litter. We just picked up some trash out of here, and use common sense and bring headlamps and all the proper gear. And I'm happy to be joined today by my buddy Rusty, my buddy David, and I appreciate you guys joining me. If you like this, like and subscribe. I have a ton more caving trips planned, and without further ado, grab your flashlights and let's go.
When I got ahead, yeah, I think I was actually in the water here, and I think I was way around that way, and just basically came back to where that hole was and climbed up over the wall.
You had me concerned for a second. I was like, we gotta meet Rusty. I think this is where I turned around last time. So I hooked this around my ankle.
That's the next spot, huh? Careful! You do the gecko lizard crawl.
Gecko lizard.
Superman crawl. Spider-Man crawl.
So it's a pretty steep drop here. This is where I turned around last time. Let's walk through the stream.
The other way?
Yeah. This is too slick. Look at that waterfall. Hey, a salamander. Yeah. How you doing, buddy? Careful on your way out not to step on them.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get with you.
It's okay.
You're gonna have to. Well, I
Do it!
don't know. Yeah, we're there.
Hey boys!
No, you're good, man. I just keep it kind of clean. Somewhat.
You already started?
Yes, sir. We're rolling.
Get a little deeper.
My feet just now got wet.
Just now?
Yeah, these things are good.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get salty here.
I'll let you guys go first and then.
Looks like it circles back that way.
There should be some crystal clear pools towards the back. This is the Buddha room. I'm gonna crawl back up through there.
And then there's basically two rabbit holes back that way. Need some help, buddy?
Thanks, man. My helmet won't even fit through here.
You gotta get a picture of this shit. Squeeze!
Made it.
Squeeze!
We did it, guys. Hey, there's just another salamander. Hey, buddy.
That's awesome.
Look at that!
Hey, buddy. So, is that like a little canyon in front of you?
Yeah, there's a little creek down there. And up. I can't see that far. There's water right here.
Yeah, it drops kind of far.
Yeah, stats say top so up. Well, maybe not. How deep is that? That's not that bad.
I think forward is where people are going up this way.
Yeah. See blueprints?
Yep. All through there.
I bet you that's that other one came from a little bit ago. You good, Rusty?
Yeah, I'm actually right back where we were going toward that rabbit hole.
Oh.
And there's a white arrow right above my head right here.
That says go this way?
No, it's like, looks like it's
Boiling spring, maybe?
Yeah.
Well, boiling spring's the end now, right?
Yeah. You guys feel comfortable going through here?
Yeah. Yeah, we can.
Just really? We can set up a hand line too.
Yeah, let me know if you need help. Come on, back up off.
Let's wait for Rusty.
Yeah, agree. Teamwork makes that dream work.
That's right. Just really watch you step through here. Actually, we can slide down that way if we wanted. I'm gonna peek up top too.
Down and up, yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a slippy way down and up. But, hey, it looks like an actual spring or like a little pool.
Yeah.
looks like there's a passage up there too.
Yeah, that's what we were. Oh, up here?
Oh, there's more over here.
Want to go down or up?
It's up to you guys. It connects around the corner.
I don't imagine this goes much further down, though. Well, kind of connects to the creek down below. Is the creek down that level? Or is there like multiple layers of creek?
Just really watch your step through there. Are you okay coming forward?
Yeah.
Just don't stand up straight, man. Just kind of.
Kind of have to. We'll be good.
Oh, you got long arms. You can reach on the walls.
Be alright.
Let's hang tight for Rusty.
Yep.
We'll all stick together.
Just keep contact points, you know?
That's right. 3 points of contact. We'll be A-okay. What a gorgeous cave.
So the pike point where I saw it went up, I think it comes down like this.
I kind of figured it was Marcus Lucan.
Whoa.
Is this a marking out right here? You see this right here?
Looks like more of just a rock face.
Yeah.
Not on the mud.
So we'll try and remember this little curve and the terrain as a landmark.
Looks like some of those carbon initials over here, though.
Yeah. Unfortunately. Some of these caves you find initials from like the Civil War.
Oh, that guy looks like paint. So the arrow looks like it's going that way?
It looks like it's coming like where one of these caves. Yep, here's a white arrow right here too.
Huh. Maybe it's a dead end. I wonder how far that goes,
We're getting close, guys.
What?
We're getting close.
Too close to what?
The end with all the cool parts.
You sure? I
Yep.
wonder if those cave arrows were the way saying go this way to the end of the cave or going out of the cave.
Those are directions out. I came in here last time and all the arrows point towards the entrance.
So you're saying this is where you go?
Nope, just. Yeah, if you want to get out, you go that way. If you want to see the cool stuff. All right, ladies and gents. We're getting towards the end with all the cool stuff. Like and subscribe. And David and Rusty, we got ourselves a crawlway. So we want to take a little water break and a little water commercial break. We'll be back. It's not so bad in here.
Mark, what if your phone just rang and was like, hey, we'd like to extend your warranty?
Wouldn't surprise me.
Wait, how'd you find me down here?
Let me know if you guys are good.
Why don't... Yeah. This one you have to follow that one.
It gets really tight in the middle here.
Is it tight for you? Is it tight?
Yeah, it gets tight.
I'm telling you, I'm going for you, bro. You can't get anything else, you good?
Yeah. I think we gotta follow the stream. So this one dead ends. We're gonna take the way with the waterfall. Catch up with you guys in a minute. Alrighty, boys. I'm heading to this right passage.
All right.
Dude, I love these Timberland boots. They're so amazing for caving. Sponsor me.
What is it, Cabela? What brand?
Got some Timberland hiking boots.
Oh, this is sweet, dude.
Isn't this beautiful?
This is nice.
I have some old Adidas trail shoes that need to be replaced.
Speaking of Adidas,
Speaking of Adidas, don't you just love their things?
if Adidas gives me an Adidas caving suit, I'd wear it. Like a heavy duty Adidas cave suit,
Some Adidas overalls.
tracksuit looking thing.
Like a mechanic jumper.
Yeah.
Are those pebbles down there?
Let me know if you need me to hold up, guys.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Where's your quicksand?
What's quicksand?
Oh, it dead ends back here. Alright guys, so we got the turquoise pool down here.
It's kind of cloudy at the moment.
Yeah.
We've been kicking sand in there.
I think one of us, we kicked a couple of rocks and muds of dirt in there, but look how beautiful that is. And I think if we go towards the back over this way, we'll get to the very, very back. We just gotta watch that sand right in the middle. It might be really saturated. We might sink a little. So we can take a little breather and then continue on. We'll be back after this commercial break. Look how cool that is. Still my favorite cave I've been to so far. Step on this little one here.
And that's hard to get to those things right there. I don't even know. Wow. Disrespect.
Yeah, I'll try and crawl back there and take the trash out on our way out. See if I can fit back there and take out the litter people left.
Oh yeah, you just look at that sand.
Whoa, look at that formation.
Oh, wow.
Try not to bump into it. They're kind of, believe it or not, a little fragile. That is beautiful.
They look like drapes.
They kind of do. So I think that blue turquoise pool is one source of the water.
They look like batteries down
It's a dead end. Watch out for the salamander down there.
Salamander?
Yeah, try not to crush him.
Pretty,
Cute little guy.
This was orange.
You open up on that part?
Yep, opens up. You okay?
Yeah. This is we just went to a big circle.
So I've seen that before, a little circle right there.
Yep, there's the arrow.
We were just in a big circle.
That's the way we didn't go yet.
We crawled underneath it here.
That's the Buddha room, yeah. Just circle back. Alrighty guys, I think we got just about to the end according to the map. That turquoise pool is beautiful. I'm incredibly happy I got to come back and see almost all of Island Ford Cave. Just gonna load this place. If you do go caving, please be careful, bring the right equipment, stay safe. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And follow me around for future adventures. I plan on doing this for a long time. And thanks for joining me, guys. Catch you next time.